Hi guys, welcome to my health and fitness channel. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about some of the vegetables that I'm using to cook today. That's radishes, carrots, and celery. I'm going to talk about their health benefits. So let's start with radishes. So radishes are a group of root vegetables with light colored, crunchy flesh. They vary in color. They're almost spicy. They have a peppery taste, and they vary in shape from short and round to long and narrow, and their skin can be red, black, white, yellow, pink, or purple. They come in various colors, really, but the most common color is red. Radishes have many benefits, many health benefits, including the fact that they are very high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant to protect our cells from damage. They also contain compounds that regulate blood sugar levels, so they reduce the risk of diabetes. Eating plenty of radishes also enhances your body's natural adiponectin production, which is a hormone that helps protect against insulin resistance. Radishes also contain the coenzyme Q10, which is an antioxidant that helps block the formation of diabetes. Eating plenty of radishes also enhances the function of our liver because they contain many compounds that help the liver detoxify and heal itself. Radishes are high in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium. And together, these nutrients help lower high blood pressure and reduce risk of heart disease. Radishes are also a good source of natural nitrates that improve blood flow. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots are also a root vegetable. They are orange in color and very yummy and crunchy. They do have a nice sweet taste. All right, so eating plenty of carrots is highly recommended because they are associated with improving our vision. They contain beta carotene and vitamin A, which is fundamental for our vision. These are found in carrots. So the well-being of our eyes are highly associated with eating plenty of carrots, because of the vitamins that they contain that improve our vision. Now, this doesn't mean that if you have poor vision already, that carrots are gonna, help correct that. It just improves it over time, before the damage is done. All right. There are different ways you can cook carrots. You can cook them with your meal as a vegetable addition, just saute it and, mix it with other vegetables or just by itself, as a side dish to your meal. You can add it to your salad. You can even eat it raw. Like I love the crunchy, sound of carrots when I chew on it. So, I like to just cut it up sometimes, and just munch on it. It is a nice snack instead of eating candy or any other sweets. Carrots are a nice snack to have, because it tastes sweet. It has a sweet taste. And, that sweet taste is from natural sugars. And so, yeah, it is a nice snack to have when you're hungry or in between meals, before you really get hungry. I personally like to, munch on carrots when I am, either studying or, cooking. It's a nice way to even fill yourself up a little bit before you eat. So I like to snack on it while I'm cooking so that by the time I'm done cooking, I'm kind of halfway full, with the snacking of the veggies. So it's a nice way to consume less calories because by the time you eat at least the whole carrot, you've had a pretty good, meal already. And then your tummy is full, halfway full, so that you eat a smaller portion of your meal. That's the idea. So that's what I like to do when I cook. So try that. You eat the carrots and drink some water as you're cooking or as you're doing whatever it is that you're doing or in between meals. It fills you up, really, it does. And it makes you, because it's highly nutritious, after you eat a whole carrot, you actually feel satiated, like you have eaten. So yeah, you should try it. So last but not least is celery. All right. Celery is very low in calorie. It is great for snacking. It's a very popular vegetable that can be found in nearly any vegetable tray, and it comes with a dip. A lot of times when you go to the grocery store, you will see, a tray of veggies, and it always includes celery and the dip. It doesn't have much of a taste. It is very crunchy, and it's just a nice snack to have, rather than, again, eating candy or cookies or sweets. Celery is the bomb. It's kind of tasteless, but it's very nutritious. All right, and what it lacks in taste, it makes up for in the nutritional department. So here are some benefits of celery. It is low in calorie. Okay, that is a benefit, because then you can eat lots of it and you don't gain weight, but you have the nutritional benefits of it. All right, and it's a good source of fiber. Celery is also noted for its anti-cancer or cancer prevention effects, because it is loaded with antioxidants, which are well-known varieties such as flavonoids and vitamin C, as well as lunoleurin and bragypton. These and other antioxidants help to prevent the oxidative stress that contributes to cancer. Celery is also good in managing high blood pressure. There's been studies that noted that celery extracts reduced blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Celery is also associated with Alzheimer's disease prevention and treatment. Research suggests that a celery seed extract improves cognition and memory, which could play a valuable role in both treating Alzheimer and preventing it from developing in the first place. Celery can be eaten in several different ways. You can eat them raw, which is really the main way that it is eaten. And, you can cook it with different meals, add it to your veggie meal, add it to your salad, add it to, or just add it to just any meal. You can add it to anything. I like to use it to cook rice, and the crunchier the better. You always want to not overcook your vegetables. You just want to kind of saute them if you're going to cook them at all. Most of these vegetables are best eaten raw. But if you're going to cook it, just saute and cook a little bit and let it still be crunchy and, almost raw. That is the best way to still preserve the nutrients in them and get the health benefits that I just talked about, is by eating them almost raw or just barely cooked. So as you can see me here, I am munching and crunching on my veggies as I'm cooking, because like I said, it is a hunger quencher, and a lot of these vegetables don't have a whole lot of calories, but they do have a lot of nutrients. So if you eat them, they fill you up and they make you feel full, and you get all the nutrients without the weight gain and without the excess, no fat, zero fat. They don't have any fat. They're just good nutrients that are good, that have antioxidants that are helping your body to to, be sustained and maintained. And yeah, so I am munching, enjoying it, and then by the time I'm done cooking, I drink some water and I am halfway full. So then I just eat a smaller portion of my meal. And those are some of the ways that I maintain my weight. Um, you know, Besides exercising, we have to eat right. We have to eat lots of vegetables. We have to eat foods from the different food groups. And, a lot of vegetables is best. And also, don't eat too much meat. I don't eat too much meat. I eat mostly fish. And if I'm going to eat meat, it's going to be chicken. I try to stay away from beef because there are a lot of negative health issues associated with beef or red meat. And so I try to eat a lot less red meat you know, than I want to. All right. Red meat tastes good. I love red meat. I grew up eating red meat, but as I have grown and have started to learn about the negative effects of red meat, I have decided to eat less of it. And so, yeah, I will talk about red meat in another video. But, this one, I'm just focusing on these vegetables. And, we can never get enough vegetables in our diet. So the more vegetables, the better. So, yeah, so that's what the doctor ordered, is less red meat, more, more. You can eat fish. Fish is good because, again, I'm going to talk about fish in a different video, but fish also contains a lot of nutrients that are healthy for us. And so, yeah, I will be, talking about fish in a separate video. So look out for that. If you're already subscribed to me, thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that you can see these videos and, learn and start eating right, exercising, and getting in shape.